Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to log into Level Chinese through the Clever app on your iPad. Okay? So what you're going to do first is to make sure you have the Clever app on your iPad. Okay, so you should already have this downloaded because this is how we log into Seesaw as well. So if you don't, make sure you download this from the App Store. Okay, so now click on Clever, and you will need the QR code I gave you. I'm going to use Carter's as an example. Oof, that's loud. All right, so now you can see that you're in, and then your name should be on the top right. Okay, so this is Clever. And if you scroll down, you will see a bunch of different apps. Okay, so, and we've used Seesaw recently a lot. And the one we're going to use today is Level Chinese. So you're going to click on the book icon. Okay, so ta-da, you're logged in. And so once you're logged in, you will see your book assignments. Okay. So for homework for today, April 6th, what you're going to do is to read the book I assigned you 3 times and then take a quiz. So once you're logged in, you will see your book assignments and you will see a bunch of different books, right? So ignore the top ones. So for example, if you see this, Things We Do and Christmas Gifts, so these books only have the take quiz options, right? So the reason why they only have the take quiz option is that we did these books during Chinese Center Time as small groups in class. And we read it together and we talked about it. We didn't take a quiz in class, so that's why they're still here. But I want you to just ignore them for now. And the new book assigned for you is the ones on the bottom, okay? So the new book, you should see it twice, the same book twice. So on the top one, it should say read book. The bottom one, it should say take quiz. Okay, so you're going to click on read book and read the books 3 times and then take quiz. I'm not going to click read books here in this video because otherwise Carter won't be able to see it if I clicked on it. So yep, so make sure that the book you read is the one on the bottom that shows up 2 times with the option to read books and the option to take quiz. Read it 3 times and then take quiz. That's the homework for today, Monday, April 6th. If you are, sorry, one more thing. If you're using a computer, not an iPad to do this, the login process is pretty much the same. You just need to go to, show you this quick. So go to clever.com. Oops. And then log in as a student, and then you can log in, use the same QR code and follow the same process. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. So yep, that's it for today. Let me know if you have more questions. Thank you.